So at this point in my career, I consider myself an API-focused developer. I really care about the way users use my code. One of my most memorable deployment failures is a really good examination of why I became that way. Early in my career, it was in fact the first major release that I was in charge of. We were doing manual deploys on AWS. I logged in, started up a bunch of the servers, was making sure that the right code was running on the last server. There were 4 of them. And as I'm looking at our process deployment, I type in the word quit to get out of the shell. And very quickly figure out that I just shut down every virtual server on that machine. It took me a couple of hours to dig through the documentation and figure out what I did wrong and how I restart it. And mostly just ended up terrified for my job. I'd only been working for about 6 months in the industry. I figured out the solution, fixed it, told my bosses, was basically told that, I fixed it, I came clean about it, everything was fine. But that really cemented 2 major thoughts into my mind. 1, manual deploys suck. 2, you gotta think about how people use your software, because a shell in which quit destroys the primary process watcher is just a really bad API.